Welcome everyone. Now in this session we are taking another example of fourth order differential equation. So we are going to convert here fourth order differential equation to first order differential equation. So what is the equation? Y fourth order plus 3y double dash minus sin t y dash plus 8y equals to t square. This is the equation. Okay. And what are the initial conditions are given? These are the initial conditions are given. What we have to do now, we have to change it into first order. So again, what will be our criteria? Since fourth order is given, so we will introduce four variables x1, x2, x3 and x4. In my previous video, I have explained how we can convert it. So x1 dash is what? Your y, it is y dash, it is y double dash and it is y triple dash. Okay. Now after that we have to differentiate it. So how we will differentiate it? X1 dash equals to y dash, x2 dash equals to y double dash and x3 dash equals to y triple dash and x4 dash equals to y 4 times the dash. Okay. Now guys, after that we will do some conversion. How we will do some conversion? Actually this is a relationship, like we say that A equals to B and B equals to C, so A is equals to C. So in the same manner we will convert equation. What is y1 dash? So look at here, y1 dash is x2, so we will write here x1 dash equals to x2. Guys, this is my first equation, first order differential equation. X2 dash is what? X2 dash equals to y double dash, that is x3. So x3, this is what? Our second order, that is second equation of first order. Now what is x3 dash? X3 dash is nothing but it is y triple dash, and y triple dash is what? It is x4. So this is our third equation. Now what is my fourth equation? What is our fourth equation? So fourth equation we will get it from the main equation. So whatever equation is given, we have to convert this equation like that. So let's see how we can convert this. Okay. So we will convert like y 4 time dash equals to, we will get here t square. So we will start with lowest variable, that is y, minus 8y, okay, plus sin t y dash and then minus 3y double dash. Guys, please, you have to also consider, you have to take care of plus and minus sign. So there are some chances that there is some chance that I may have some plus or minus mistake here. So you have to take care of this. So t square minus 8y plus sin t y dash minus 3y dash. So this is what we are getting, the converted equation. Now we have to substitute values. So what is y4 dash? So it is x4 dash equals to, t square will remain as it is, minus 8. What is y? Y is nothing but it is x1. So you can see here we are getting the variables. In the right hand side we are getting the variables x1, x2, x3 and so on. Plus sin t y dash. What is y dash? Y dash is x2. So I will write here y dash is x2. So we will write here x2 minus 3y double dash, and y double dash is what? It is x3. So we will write here x3, 3 times x3. So if you can see here, this is what our fourth equation. Okay, this is our fourth equation. This is our fourth equation. Okay. So how we can get the system of equation? How we can get the system of equation? Now after that we will convert our, in the first part guys, we have to convert the equations, and the second part you have to convert the initial conditions. So here your x1, sorry, this is y only, not x dash. X1 dash equals to 1. This is y, this is x2 at 0 is 2, this is x3 at 0 is 3, and this is x4 at 0, x4 at 0 is 4. Okay, so this is what initial condition. So you have to write combine, you have to write and combine all the equations, like this is the first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation, this is third equation, and this is fourth equation, and initial values you have to write, and this is the conversion of fourth order differential equation into first order differential equation. Thank you so much for watching.